everyone, and welcome to another episode of Membership Minute, SGIA's new series dedicated to bringing you the latest in association news. If you are in the screen printing industry or looking to enter into the market and want some hands-on training to hone in on your skills, or to learn some new techniques, why not attend an upcoming SGIA workshop? April 6th to 8th is the Screen Making Basic to Advanced workshop, where students will master the how and why of making screens for virtually every job, beginning with the most basic methods and progressing to cutting-edge technology. Streamline the creative and productive art process by learning from one of the masters in the field, Dane Clement, in the Art and Separations for Screen Printed Apparel workshop, happening April 13th to 14th. And wrapping up the week is our fondly named Totally T-Shirts Apparel Screen Printing Workshop, going on April 15th to the 17th. Whether you're new to screen printing t-shirts or a seasoned professional, this workshop is designed to give you lots of new ideas and plenty of practice with advanced techniques. Since these 3 workshops are all located at SGIA's headquarters in Fairfax, Virginia, why not make it a week of learning? Sign up for this and the Art and Separation workshop and receive a 25% discount. SGIA is your resource to help build your business with new skills and knowledge. Learn more at sgia.org/education/workshops. SGIA is an association built by and for the printing industry. To learn more about the benefits of becoming an SGIA member and how SGIA can help you grow your business, visit sgia.org or call 703-385-1335. The membership team is looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time.